Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a chain stitch. Its abbreviation is CH. Hold the piece as I do, tip of the hook facing you. The index finger should maintain tension on the yarn, aligning the head of our crochet hook with the yarn. Make the initial motion and then take the hook from underneath and to the back. Wrapping the yarn over and pull through the loop on hook. Alright, the chain stitch is complete. Let me demonstrate it 2 more times. If you have any problems during crocheting, please feel free to contact us via email. We will reply to you as soon as we receive it.